This is a different position that we've put this arm on. We wanted it higher because we're trying to get those face shots, some close-ups on the face, and maybe some moments where we're looking down on the bike a little bit.
It's a lot of yesterday's shots. If you notice, the camera was super low, and so when we look back on the playback stuff, we don't really get to see Caleb's face as much. Most of it was just his headlamp. So we're trying to.
You might want to wait to balance it too.
Get a little bit above that so we can actually get some
bit.
face shots in there. I know it sounds kind of dirty, but
Yeah, before you get to it.
I think when you come over that first little hump, there's kind of an open area, pull off somewhere in there. You could
up the hill.
Yeah.
You want to
follow me?
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, you don't want to.